Hello and welcome to How to with Seth series. Today I'm going to show you how to create bootable USB for Windows 10 using Rufus. First, go to rufus.ie or search for Rufus, and then format your USB drive with FAT32 and then run. What you should know, you should use 16 or 32 if you set inserting window on tablet or Surface. If it is on laptop or PC, 8 GB is okay. Let's get started. Okay, type Rufus. This is the website, and then go to download, the top one. It is small file, and then format your USB drive. Format by default FAT32. Quick format and start. Done. Run Rufus. So this is your USB drive, and select window, disk or ISO image. Select. Here select MBR because it works with all systems. And volume level you can leave as it is or type anything you want. File system NTFS, and this is default. Then start. The process might take a while, so you can grab a cup of coffee also, or you can do anything else. Just leave it. It will take 10 or 20 minutes, depend on how fast is your USB drive. Okay, done. That's how you create a bootable USB drive for Windows 10. Next video I will show you how to install it on your PC or Surface or tablet. That's it for now. See you in the next video. Stay awesome. Bye.